I'm going to be opening a Stitch Labubu. We got it for $20, even though it was $25. Let's open it. Ah, she's so adorable.
Oh my
She's
God!
so adorable. No, it's mine!
Super cool, my love.
That is not a Labubu.
You can put that on your thing. Oh, look at it.
She's beautiful.
The donut. Is it Pop Mart?
Let's see if it's real.
Here, mommy, you want my phone?
Let's see if the box is real. If it's, let's see. Looks like the rip was real.
Therefore, need this? Nope, I don't think I need those.
Miniso from Miniso.
Bye, guys.
Is it?
Yep, and it's real.
Let me see.
Don't forget to put
I wanted the pizza one also.
No, you didn't. You said you wanted that one.
But the donut one is cute though. I love you.
And here we go.
I'm definitely posting this video.
I didn't know they built towers.
They don't. Consumer sellers are
She's so beautiful. It wasn't in a bag because they opened it and showed it. But she's adorable.
Here,
Comment
your box.
what you think I should name her. Let's see her name. We got Sleepy Donut.
You said you wanted the donut one.
She's Sleepy Donut. I'm definitely gonna get more of these.
Oh, yeah.
Comment what you think I should name her.